Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A cozy, sunlit living room, hyper-realistic, with large windows showcasing a lush green garden view. Beige, cream, and muted gold colors dominate the palette, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A comfortable, light beige sofa sits in the center of the room, with a textured, natural-toned rug beneath it. A large, round stone ottoman rests on the rug, adding a natural element. Various potted plants, including leafy greens and trailing vines, are strategically placed around the room. A framed artwork with subtle, muted tones hangs on the wall. Rustic, light brown wooden shelves display decorative items and more plants. Wooden bookcases are also visible in one corner. A cozy, coastal-themed tiny home interior, hyper-realistic. Light, airy space with white walls and light beige wooden floors. Open concept living area with a comfortable white sofa accented with light blue throw pillows and nautical-inspired decor. A built-in bunk bed with blue bedding. Several open shelving units displaying plants, baskets, and decorative elements. Wooden TV stand with a flat-screen TV. Ocean views from a large window in the foreground. Natural light streams in, illuminating the space. Pastel blues, whites, and beiges dominate the color palette. Woven baskets, wooden accents, and nautical artwork add to the coastal vibe. The textures are realistic, showing wood grain, fabric, and natural plants. A cozy living room, hyper-realistic, with a cream-colored sofa with dark blue throw pillows, a light beige ottoman, and a vibrant, ornate rug featuring oranges, reds, blues, and deep indigo. A small succulent sits on a stack of books atop the ottoman. A metal shelving unit with decorative items is in the background, and a tapestry with bold, patchwork designs hangs on the wall. A potted plant and a basket are also visible. The scene is bright, with natural light streaming in from sliding glass doors leading to a patio. The hardwood floor is visible beneath the rug. The wall color is a light beige, and the overall aesthetic is Bohemian chic. A modern, minimalist living space, hyper-realistic render. Large expanse of floor-to-ceiling glass walls framing a spacious interior. Light neutral color palette, off-white walls, light beige/cream furniture, concrete floors. A large, light beige sectional sofa sits diagonally in the center flanked by a coffee table and a single, low, comfortable armchair. Visible kitchen area with light gray cabinetry and subtle warm lighting. Outdoor space beyond the glass is visible, showing greenery and foliage. Clear view of the surrounding landscape. Glass partitions create a sense of openness and spaciousness. Sleek, black, minimalist framework supporting the glass. A spacious, minimalist Japanese-style living room, hyper-realistic, featuring a large sliding glass door revealing a tranquil garden with autumn foliage, light brown wooden floors, walls, and furniture. Low, wooden seating cushions, zabuton, arranged around a low, rectangular wooden table, on which some light-colored items lie. Grayish-blue cushions for seating. Neutral tones, warm browns, grays, and beige, complemented by the autumnal colors of the garden. Natural light streams through the sliding doors with wooden shoji screens. Built-in shelving units, a flat-screen television, and modern amenities are seamlessly integrated into the minimalist design. A cozy, minimalist apartment living room. Hyper-realistic interior, showcasing efficient use of space. L-shaped sectional sofa in a muted gray fabric. A mustard yellow throw pillow. Light brown wooden accents on built-in shelving and cabinetry. White and gray walls. Warm, neutral carpet with a subtle pattern. A small, modern kitchen area, integrated into the living space. Plants in various pots are strategically placed. A section with built-in storage, incorporating a bed hidden behind the sofa. Ambient lighting, with recessed spotlights, highlighting textures and details. Large windows with a view of a verdant outdoor space. The scene is well lit, with a focus on modern design and functionality. A cozy, minimalist home office nook, bathed in natural sunlight streaming through a large window showcasing lush greenery. Impressionistic, but with hyper-realistic details. Light beige and light wood tones dominate. Built-in shelving units line the walls, packed with books and decorative items. A comfortable, L-shaped seating area with light beige cushions is positioned in front of the window, creating a tranquil reading or working space. A simple desk and chair are integrated into the design, with a small potted plant adding a touch of greenery. The wood paneling and floor are all a light, warm tone of natural wood. A cozy, minimalist home office nook, bathed in natural sunlight streaming through a large window showcasing lush greenery. Impressionistic, but with hyper-realistic details. Light beige and light wood tones dominate. Built-in shelving units line the walls, packed with books and decorative items. A comfortable, L-shaped seating area with light beige cushions is positioned in front of the window, creating a tranquil reading or working space. A simple desk and chair are integrated into the design, with a small potted plant adding a touch of greenery. The wood paneling and floor are all a light, warm tone of natural wood. A spacious, modern apartment living room, rendered in hyper-realistic style. A light beige sectional sofa with mustard yellow throw pillows sits in the foreground. A wooden staircase ascends to a mezzanine level, which is partially visible. The walls feature a combination of light gray textured panels and light beige, wooden built-in shelving. Under-cabinet lighting highlights the built-in cabinets and shelves. A large flat-screen TV is mounted on a wall-mounted entertainment center with recessed, lit storage units. The floor is covered with a patterned, light beige/tan rug. Large windows offer a view of a city and a small landscaped area. Natural light streams into the room, casting soft shadows. A cozy, minimalist living space inside a small, light wood paneled container home. Hyper-realistic interior shot, showcasing a comfortable gray couch with a warm, earthy tone throw pillows. Wooden shelving units are lined with books and decorative items. A flat-screen TV is prominently displayed above a low built-in seating area. A window shows a lush green leafy outdoor view. Warm, natural light floods the room, with subtle ambient lighting accents on the shelving and walls. Wood tones range from light beige to a rich, medium brown. Muted gray and beige colors on the furniture and bedding create a calming atmosphere. Books are stacked neatly in the shelving units. A cozy, brightly lit living room. Hyper-realistic rendering of a modern apartment interior with a rustic brick wall. Light beige/cream colored sofa with mustard yellow throw pillows. Wooden coffee table with a white/cream round surface and a patterned rug. A large window letting in natural sunlight. Plants, various decorative items, and framed artwork on the walls. Wooden TV stand with a flat screen TV. Open shelving with various decorative items. Warm, inviting colors, creams, beiges, mustards, wood tones. Impressionistic highlights in the sunlight, emphasizing the warm feeling of the space. Detailed texture on the brick, rug, and wooden furniture. Floorboards. A cozy living room, light blue walls, white built-in entertainment center with shelving, sliding barn door, light wooden floors, a light gray/cream couch, a small round wooden table with a potted plant, blue hydrangeas, a patterned rug with blue and white designs, large windows with natural light, framed artwork on the wall, impressionistic style, soft lighting, detailed wooden trim, and bright sunlight streaming in. Hyper-realistic rendering, mid-century modern aesthetic, vintage feel. Focus on coziness and warmth. A spacious, bright loft-style living room, hyper-realistic, featuring a large, light gray sectional sofa with neutral throw pillows. A lush, vibrant vertical green wall, composed of various plants and greenery, dominates one wall, transitioning from darker greens at the bottom to lighter, yellowish greens at the top. The wall behind the greenery is a rustic, exposed brick. Wooden shelving units are visible along one wall with potted plants on top, mixed within decorative objects. The natural light streaming in through large windows is emphasized, illuminating the space with a warm glow.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.